I have KTM 790 Adventure S. My long time problem is hard starting, and I found the fuel pressure it drops as soon as I off the ignition. So I thinking the problem from the fuel pump doesn't stay the pressure, and I replaced the pressure pump, but the problem is still the same. So recently, before replacing the pressure pump, this motorbike sent to KTM for servicing. They said they will clean the throttle body. So I'm sure that they clean the throttle body. Then I replaced the fuel pump. Nothing's changed. I removed the throttle body and removed the injector. I found one end of the injector has a leak, so this is the problem. After cleaning that one, it's okay.